Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share real relatable tips for new drivers, nervous drivers and everyone in between. Before we get into today's topic, do me a quick favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. It helps more people like you find these videos and builds this amazing little community we've got going. So let me ask you this, does your heart start racing when it starts raining and you're behind the wheel? Do you ever delay your plans or pull over the second you see dark clouds? Because I used to be exactly like that. Let me share something real with you. When I first got my license, I avoided driving in the rain at all costs. If it started to pour, I'd literally cancel my trip or wait an hour in a parking lot until the storm passed. I once waited in a mall car park for nearly 2 hours just because I was too afraid to drive home in a heavy thunderstorm. True story. I'd grip the steering wheel so tight, I'd get hand cramps. My windshield wipers going full blast, but I still felt like I couldn't see anything. I was terrified of hydroplaning, slipping or worse, crashing. But over time and with practice, I learned how to stay calm and drive safely in wet conditions. And now, it still isn't my favorite thing, but I don't panic anymore. And you can get that too. Let's be honest, driving in the rain is objectively harder. Roads are slippery, visibility is reduced, other drivers might drive recklessly, your car responds differently. So if you feel nervous, you're not being dramatic, you're being human. But guess what? With the right habits and mindset, you can be prepared and confident even in a downpour. Let's get into actual things you can do to feel safer and more in control when driving in the rain. Slow down, seriously. Rain reduces traction. The faster you go, the less grip your tires have. So take your time. If you're on the highway, drop your speed below the limit. There's no price for reaching faster if it means losing control. Number 2, turn on your headlights. Even during the day, rainy weather makes things dark and hazy. Turning on your low beam headlight helps you see and also be seen by other drivers. Avoid sudden movements. Hard braking, sharp turns, or sudden acceleration can cause your car to skid. Try to be as gentle and smooth with your driving as possible. Slow into turns and brake gradually. Keep a safe distance. The 3-second rule. In the rain, make it even 4 or even 5. It takes longer to stop on wet roads, so give yourself more buffer space. Number 5. Know what hydroplaning feels like. If your steering suddenly feels loose and the car feels like it's floating, you might be hydroplaning. Don't panic. Ease off the accelerator, keep the wheels straight, and let the tires regain grip. Number 6. Use your defogger or AC. Rain often fogs up your windows. Make sure you know how to use your front and rear defoggers, or turn on the AC to help clear it fast. Number 7. Don't use high beams or hazard lights while moving. This is a common mistake. High beams reflect off the rain and make it harder to see. And hazard lights are for stopped vehicles, not ones still moving. Stick to low beams and proper signaling. Number 8. Avoid puddles and flooded roads. Puddles can hide potholes or cause hydroplaning. If you're not sure how deep the water is, don't drive through it. Find another route Water can stall your engine or flood your brakes. Number 9. Keep your tires and wipers in good shape. This is more of a before it rains tip. Make sure your tires have proper tread and are inflated. And your wipers, if they're squeaky or streaky, replace them. It's cheap and makes a big difference. Number 10. Practice when it's safe. When you're feeling brave, take short drives in the light rain first. Practice in your neighborhood or on familiar roads. Slowly work up your confidence and you'll be surprised how fast the anxiety goes down. Let me tell you something important. Being scared doesn't make you weak, it makes you aware. And awareness is what makes you a good driver. Every experienced driver you see on the road, they once felt like you do now. Nervous, unsure, overwhelmed. But the only way out of that fear is through it. One careful drive at a time. And I also want to hear from you. What's been your scariest driving experience? Or maybe you still haven't driven in the rain yet. That's okay too. Drop your story in the comments. I read everyone and you might just help someone else feel less lonely. If this video helped ease your nerves even a little bit, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world driving advice. No fluff, just stuff you can actually use. And hey, we're building a little support group down here in the comments. So whether you're a brand new driver or someone trying to regain confidence, your story matters. Thanks for watching and remember, you've got this. Rain or shine, until the next time, drive safe, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next video.